laps further down the order, so not what he'd be hoping for at all, as we do continue on at the front of things. Pirelli now back down to P8, P9 after that error. But Carlos Cano, 2 corners now remain. Will it be himself or Ramadipa? Could it be a last corner move? The 32 looks up the inside, but Cano swoops round, and it is going to be Carlos Cano who takes victory, or will it be? It's a drag race, it's a photo finish at the line, and we await to see on the timing screens who is it going to be. Ramadipa showing 0.007 of a second. Carlos Cano, second place for himself, but a massive day in